Meaning of hour hand.
Hour hand.
Hour hand.
Hour hand.
Hour hand. The hour hand is a component of an analog clock or watch that indicates the current hour. It is typically the shorter of the two hands and rotates around the dial once every 12 hours. The position of the hour hand represents the number of hours elapsed since the last 12 o'clock. The hour hand works in conjunction with the minute hand and second hand to display the current time accurately. Overall, the hour hand is an essential part of an analog clock that helps people to keep track of time.